Have you received a meter reading notice from the department? It is important that you provide accurate meter reads by the due date. There is a quick and easy way to provide your meter reading to the department. Head to our online portal and enter your client reference number and your meter reference number that can be found on the notice we sent you. We encourage you to keep a record of your receipt for each meter reading by entering your email address in the relevant box when prompted. This receipt is very useful should the department contact you regarding your meter read. Make sure you provide the correct meter read by double-checking the digits on your meter. Enter the read exactly as it displays on your meter, including any and all zeros. If you have multiple meters, you must submit separate readings for each meter. If you have not used water in the last year or have a zero read on your meter, you are still required to submit your meter reading. To be compliant, you need to provide a correct reading for each of your meters, whether you've used water or not, and to ensure that you provide your readings on time. It is an offence under the Water Regulation 2016 if you do not meet these requirements, and penalties apply. Knowing how much water is being used across the state allows the government to make informed decisions about the resource and manage it sustainably for all Queenslanders, now and into the future. We all need to do our part in being transparent about our water usage. For further information, you can email your local business centre. Scroll down to find your nearest location.